Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by opening Automator and creating a new quick action or application so your recording runs where you need it. Once done, choose the correct input type, files, folders, or no input, and target the app if this action must run inside another program. Make sure to arrange the windows and hide unrelated apps. Press the record button to capture clicks and typing. You must perform each step deliberately so Automator logs the correct UI actions. You should perform each interaction slowly and clearly. Click, choose menus, type text, and navigate dialogues so Automator captures every UI event. Once done, stop recording and inspect the action list in the workflow pane to confirm sequence and targets. If Automator miscaptures something, edit that step, insert a short delay where timing is sensitive, or add explicit finder/file actions like get specified finder items. Make sure each action has the right input and output connection before proceeding. You must save your Automator workflow with a clear name and the proper type so you can run it later from Finder, Services, or as an app. Run several tests on representative files or tasks to confirm repeatability and expected outputs, then iterate until stable. If something fails, make sure to add targeted delays, swap recorded clicks for explicit UI scripting actions, and verify accessibility/automation permissions in system preferences. That fix resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.